The next thing is the property taxes. You'll see in F4 and G3, it says property taxes 6 months, and then property taxes for 2 months. So the 6 months may or may not be the number of months that needs to be paid. Thing of property taxes is they're not going to be due based on when you close. Each county, each state determines when property taxes are due. Some are due every 6 months. Some are due every 3 months. Some might be due 4 times a year, but not in exact 3-month intervals. So what will happen is the seller it will have paid taxes ahead of, up to a certain point. If let's say they've paid till June 1st and you're closing on April 1st, 2 months earlier, and they paid the month before that 3 months. So maybe they paid ahead 2 months of taxes. So when you close on the transaction, typically you're going to pay whatever the seller's prepaid to. So you're going to reimburse the seller for what they've prepaid in the taxes. They have on here 6 months, basically because that's typically going to be the longest period of time that would have been prepaid on taxes. Anyway, the other thing is they're going to have an impound account. Again, if you have a loan on the property, the mortgage company wants to make sure that the property taxes are paid, because if the property taxes aren't paid, they can grab the house away from you and the mortgage company. The government always comes first. Okay, so the mortgage company is going to want to make sure that not only do you, when you close, are the property taxes paid up to the next interval, but they're going to want another 2-month buffer. Just like on the fire insurance, they want to have an impound or a buffer in case you get behind on your payments, because they again will be paying the property taxes for you. The property taxes on here, it says $105.30 per month. That'll be part of your monthly payment. The mortgage company will collect that $100 a month, and then when it's time to pay the property taxes, they'll make that payment for you. Again, unless you don't have a mortgage or pay cash, you're going to have to pay it on your own. The next few things, I'm going to scroll down a little bit.